Hello, my friends, and welcome to today's English podcast. My name is Daniel, and today I want to take you on a small trip. We are going to spend one day in London, one of the most famous cities in the world. Imagine you are with me, walking through the streets, looking at the buildings, and enjoying the atmosphere. Everything I describe is in simple English, so you can listen, repeat, and practice. So let's begin our journey together. We start early in the morning because London is a big city, and there are many things to see. The weather is a little cloudy, but that is normal for London. I leave my small hotel near Paddington Station and walk outside. The street is already busy with people going to work, buses driving by, and bicycles passing fast. I take a deep breath and feel excited, because this is my first full day here. First, I decide to visit Buckingham Palace. It is the home of the king, and many tourists come here every day. I walk through Green Park, where trees are tall and the grass is fresh. When I arrive at the palace, I see the famous guards in their red uniforms and tall black hats. They stand very still and do not smile. Many people are taking photos, and I also take one for memory. Standing in front of Buckingham Palace makes me feel that I am really in London. After that, I walk down. The Mall, a big street that goes directly to Trafalgar Square. The walk is beautiful, with flags on both sides and people walking happily. At Trafalgar Square, I see the tall Nelson's column and the fountains. There are also many pigeons and street performers. Some play music, others paint pictures. I stop for a few minutes and listen to a man playing the violin. It feels magical to hear music in the middle of the busy city. From Trafalgar Square, I continue walking to the River Thames. Soon, I see the London Eye, a giant wheel where people can ride and look over the whole city. I do not go inside today, because the line is too long, but I take photos from outside. On the other side of the river, I see Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament. Big Ben is one of the most famous symbols of London, and when I stand there, I feel like I am in a movie. The clock tower is tall, the sound of the bells is strong, and the building looks amazing with all its details. I cross Westminster Bridge to stand closer, and the view is incredible. For lunch, I decide to stop at a small cafe near Covent Garden. I order a sandwich and a cup of tea. The cafe is cozy, with small wooden tables and people talking quietly. British people love tea, and I want to feel like a local. The tea is hot, the sandwich is simple but tasty, and I feel ready for the afternoon. After eating, I explore Covent Garden. It is full of shops, restaurants, and street artists. One man is making big soap bubbles, and children laugh and run around trying to catch them. The atmosphere is full of life and color. In the afternoon, I take the Underground, or the Tube, to the Tower of London. This old castle is next to the river, and it is full of history. I walk around the walls and imagine the stories of kings, queens, and prisoners from hundreds of years ago. Next to it, I see the famous Tower Bridge. The bridge is blue and white, with two tall towers. When a boat passes, the bridge opens in the middle. I stay for a while to watch the boats and the people crossing. As the sun starts to go down, I take another walk by the river. The sky is turning orange and pink, and the lights of the city are starting to shine. I stop at a bench and look at the view. The water, the bridges, and the people enjoying the evening. It feels peaceful but also exciting, because London never sleeps. Finally, I return to my hotel. I am tired from walking all day, but my heart is happy. I saw many places, I heard different sounds, and I felt the energy of this big city. London is a mix of history and modern life. Every street has a story. Every building has a meaning. Spending one day here is not enough, but it gives me a taste of what London is like. And this, my friends, was our small trip together.